Hello, my name is Cheyenne and I studied in Cheyenne, Spain at La Universidad de Cheyenne. And this is my elevator pitch for my IGP fieldwork experience. My subject major at Northern Arizona University was biomedical science. However, my subject major at La Universidad de Cheyenne was biology. They did not have a biomedical science track, so I had to jump to their biology track. At La Universidad de Cheyenne, the subject of my research was microRNAs as a potential treatment for musculoskeletal degenerative diseases. I did my internship and my research at the university in their biomedical science lab. So they had a degree track for master's degree for biomedical science, just not undergrad. So I was able to work with a lot of their postdoc students and master's students during my stay at the university. The first picture is of the university's fountain and amphitheater area. The second picture is of a cylindrical building that's called the Flan, and that's where most of my classes were held. And then the next building with all the plant life around it was the building that I did most of my research in. It was the biology building. My responsibilities at the lab were a few extra responsibilities in addition to my research. I ensured the purity of a line of rats that we used in the lab. This was to make sure that the rats that I used in my research had musculoskeletal degenerative diseases and that our control group did not have those diseases. And we did that by looking at the genetic makeup of the rat cells. I also performed various lab activities to assist other lines of research, like rat and chicken embryonic dissections, as well as culturing cells, which is growing them in this little well type thing. And then I performed immunofluorescence staining to visualize the muscle tissue that I was working with. The importance of my research is pretty large within the field of medicine. It would potentially allow us to treat musculoskeletal degenerative diseases in a more permanent manner. And the most interesting thing about it is that instead of providing a cure and fixing your body, essentially, what it does is it gives your body the tools to fix itself, which would potentially be a more permanent solution to those problems. And as a connection to my professional and career life, I am a pre-med student looking to go into the medical field, so this has a lot of applications to what I would like to do in the future. These photos are of my favorite things to do in Cheyenne, which was paintballing with my friends, going out, ice skating, going to bars, and then my favorite thing possibly ever to do while I was in Cheyenne, which was drink coffee at a cafe. In addition, I worked with the University of Granada, and these are some photos from my travels in my internship.